Okay, continuing our Google Docs tutorial in part 2. Next feature is the help. So you can search the menus here, search for insert, it'll show you all the functions that involve that keyword. You can also search for page margin, it'll tell you where to find it, and take you directly to the relevant menu. You can also browse popular help articles or search for a specific topic, like work with office files right there. Okay. Help can also show the keyboard shortcuts, really useful. It's worthwhile to memorize these if you're going to spend a lot of time in this system. It really improves your workflow. Okay. Down in our promotion section, we're going to highlight our heading and say promotion text would be nice. Just another note to ourselves. Okay. Back up on the seating chart. Going to fill in just a couple names for example data. Say we filled this out. We could resolve this comment to mark the task as complete. And up in our comment thread, you'll see the history of the comments we've made. Great for collaborating with team members and commenting, resolving issues, and knowing who opened and closed what. Here you also find the Google Docs sharing feature, or again, just like in Drive, you can enter emails directly, give them access to edit, comment, or view your document, or you can grab a link, same access levels in the settings, and you can send this link to anyone with or without a Google account. Just another way to access your version history. Google Tools, there's typically at least 2 ways to access things, so use whatever's more convenient for you. All right. Going back to our Google Drive, we'll see we go back out of our folder to our top level drive. We'll see the spreadsheet that was used to create the chart in our document was created. We're going to drag that into our Google Tools workshop folder. And there it will be, just to keep our things organized. One last note on Docs. If you go to New, Docs, and go to the right caret, you can choose to create a doc from a template. So you have resumes, proposals, brochures, pre-organized, pre-formatted, in case you're looking to get started quickly with one of these documents. Saves you a ton of time, gives you some good direction on how to organize and style your content wisely. And you can, so once you select a template, it creates a copy for you. So you can edit the data and make it yours. And back in your drive, you'll see your new file right there. Okay, so that does it for this tutorial on Google Docs. Next will be a tutorial on Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.